Do you ever feel like a paper bag, feeling all degen? Hi guys, my name's Katy Perry. I'm the male version. I'm ridiculous. And what I'm about to show you is literally the most degen April thing you can imagine. This isn't April Fool's. April Fool's has already come and gone, but I'm going to show you all the crazy degen things you can get yourself into if you want to be a professional gambler in the DeFi space. This is all it is. It's a bunch of dumb idiots gambling on what could possibly be a bunch of Ponzi's. Probably a Ponzi is what we're calling this challenge. Probably a Ponzi. Because statistically, it could be a Ponzi. I have no way of confirming. A lot of these projects, you're just looking at these interviews and trusting devs' words, and there's a lack of evidence. In religion, we call this faith. Where there's lack of evidence, we say, I believe, I have faith. For instance, we're coming up on Easter weekend. Did Jesus Christ rise from the grave? There are many testimonies. Testimony is a form of evidence. Some may say it is a weak form of evidence. You've got gospel accounts, okay? And then you've got eyewitnesses, and you've got historians, and then you have to trust that they recorded it, and that there is no hyperbole, that there is no legend. That is what religion calls faith. Do you believe it? Based on what? Do you have the full evidence? Right? And then you got politically, you got Donald Trump, and he's in jail. No, he's not in jail. He's in the courtroom, faced with possibly going to jail for committing crimes, and it's all about how you spin the law. You could take a misdemeanor, and if you tie it into this, and you can make it a felony, and if it's state law, you can apply it to... It's all spinning. This whole world is spinning. Is the US dollar a Ponzi? It could be. They just keep printing it. Is Bitcoin a Ponzi? It very well could be. Ladies and gentlemen, everything could be a Ponzi. It all depends who you listen to. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know why I keep saying ladies and gentlemen. It's like I have no boys and girls watching this channel. If you are a boy or a girl under 18, get the frick out of here. This is for the degenerates of heart. As you guys see, this was my March Madness. I got a gem bot. Still waiting for Manny's refund from PGV. And then I'm going to launch my gem bot. We'll see. Is he going to send the refund? Who knows? I mean, either the guy's a sociopath or the guy is actually just going to follow through and send us a refund. I have no idea how you get a $40 million loan in a week. I don't know any millionaires that can do that, but we'll see. Good luck. I hope all the best on that one. Aviate. Okay, that's a bot play. Bot ETF, not a Ponzi. Excited about that. That launches, I think, today. Incomation, private prop firm. Don't have a link. You got to message me privately if you want to learn more about this. Zayanus. I went into this. These guys freaking lied to me, and they rugged. Okay, so that was a total loser. Then I did some rug plays, which, you know, this one wasn't supposed to be a rug play, but it was. Earn Big was a winner, okay? Rug play, what does it mean to be successful and win? It just means it lasts longer than 24 hours. Because remember, you can make your 25% in less than... You can make your 25% in 24 hours, okay? All these other projects I'm about to show you that I'm going to ape into and do some stupid degen stuff, it takes like months to make that type of return. That's why I play these rug plays, okay? So we were 2... for 3. Cake Invest sucked. Gain Big worked well. Okay, both of these are from this group called 7 Days Group. Then I invested. I had AJ on the channel, and I invested in Layer 1X. I left this column blank because I just didn't find any other real world companies I was excited to invest in. I am in conversation still with a number of them, but they're just not ready for prime time. So yeah. All right, let's look at the thumbnail of this video. Probably a Ponzi challenge. This is what I'm doing in April, guys. I am going to be absolutely ridiculous. I've already done a video on this Deride L fund. It's basically an hourly play. I'll show you guys what that is at the end of this video. I did a video yesterday on Daisy. Could be a Ponzi, could be legit. It's been around for over a year, paying out over 20% per month. Vortek United. I just made a deposit in this today. I'm going to invite my friend Chris to tell me all about it. He's going to tell me about Vortek. He's going to tell me about MaxSpread in this video. You guys know I stopped talking about crypto program for a long time, simply just because if you do the math, guys, over the course of, 10 months, 12 months, whatever. Ed's been in this over 10 years, so it seems a little ridiculous how he's not a multi-billionaire by now, if all the claims of this are true. I messaged Ed. In fact, I gave him a voice message yesterday. I said, man, let's do some sort of like insurance fund challenge. We'll see if he takes me up on it. But I am still in that. But I have sold some packages. But, you know, this project is called probably a Ponzi, so of course I got to include that there. I am in a private group that you cannot advertise on YouTube. It's involved in sports betting. And the question I have is, which one will last? So this is my April 2003 challenge. We are going to walk through some of these right now in case you're interested. But before we do, let me make it really clear. Come on, lean in. In life, you have a decision. Who to listen to, who to take advice from, how to act, how to be, what career to go into, who to marry. When you become an adult, your mom doesn't tell you how to live your life anymore. You know what happens? You take responsibility for your own actions. So let me say this right now. I have followed many YouTubers and many influencers telling me this and that, and they have led me astray. I've even been in a car and someone told me to speed, and then I got pulled over and I got a speeding ticket. And I told the police officer, he told me to do it. Police officer didn't buy it. He said, you know what? You're the one who clicked the pedal. Just like you click a mouse, take responsibility. That is the message. Everything I'm in DeFi is degen. Why? There's no regulation in this space. Very limited. It's very gray. Okay? The case laws are very few. Okay? As far as securities, they've just named Bitcoin and Ethereum. They didn't even mention USDT. It's all frickin' fuzzy. The U.S. needs to get with it. But the U.S. probably doesn't want to invest a lot of money into regulation because it's almost a way of them verifying the asset class. And they don't want to do that. So hurry up, U.S., United States government. Please do this. In the meantime, this is gambling. Where there's no regulation, guess what? All those stupid scammers are going to come. And they might launch projects that are either legit or they might be a Ponzi. Now me, if I have knowledge, if I know that something is a complete, absolute Ponzi, if I know it, I've seen the evidence, I will definitely tell you. But in all these projects, I just don't know. I don't know. And that is the risk. So if you look at these, my little April challenge, we're going to see which one of these are going to last. I'm going to show you exactly how much I went in the link in the description. I might have affiliate links. That means that they reward me if you get in. If that makes you insanely mad, do not click my link. Okay? I do this full time. It's a way of supporting the channel. Now, you might not want to support a channel like this. Then never subscribe, never like, never watch my videos. But the fact you're watching, you're helping the algorithm. You should really stop. I do have a number of YouTubers that like to make videos about me. And they say, this guy makes Ponzi videos. And they clip me. And they never put me in full context. They never talk about how I make all my disclaimers up front. And they live alone and they have no friends and they make content about me because it helps them get more views. This is a sad way to do life. I feel bad for them. I reach out to all my haters. I invite them on the channel to have honest conversations. And guess what? They never respond. I leave comments in their videos inviting them. And guess what? They always delete them. It's just silly. Okay? That's why I can't be as clear. I'm trying to be as clear as I can, guys. Out of all the YouTubers in crypto, remember this. Anyone that promotes something, like imagine someone saying, guys, I believe Bitcoin is going to be a really good asset class in the future. That's promotion. Guys, CNBC is literally television promoting stocks. This is the way the world works. Amazon promoting products. Do you not think Amazon's ever had a product on their platform that has brought harm to people? This is the way the world works, guys. You have to take ownership. So I'm going to bring on my friend Chris. We're going to talk about these two suckers right here. We're going to talk about this Vortek United MaxSpread. Since I've already done a video you can watch on Daisy and Dried L Fund. By the way, let me just do this really quick on my video. Here, sorry guys. This is so simple. You guys aren't understanding this. Okay? The way this product works, this project right here, you sign in, okay? It's so crazy. Look, I put $4,000 in an hour ago just so I could show you whether or not withdrawals work. Look I've done a ton of deposits. Do you want to see my referral earnings? It's like nothing. I don't care about the referrals. Look, your referrals. Look how much I've earned, $1.46. That's not why I'm doing this. This is like get a free coffee every day. So the way it works, guys, is you make a deposit and you make, look, after 1 hour, you make 0.1%. That's it. 1%, 0.1%. So like if you calculate your profit, if you were to put $500 in, calculate, you're going to make 50 cents. If you put 5,000 in, calculate, you make $5. But if you do this for 24 hours, that's 2.4% a day. That's 60% a month. You can come and go. This never locks in your funds. Everything I'm about to show you locks in your funds for a longer period than at least an hour. So that's why I'm adding this to the mix in my crazy display of degeneracy. So that's this one right here, guys. Let me just show you, though, that withdrawals actually work, all live on camera. So I'm going to withdraw that balance, 4,004. I don't want to spend that. I'm withdrawing, right? Let me get my, oh, hi. That was awesome. Do you guys remember that little intro video? Thanks for being around, by the way. If you guys have liked and subscribed to this channel and you've been like OGs, let me know. I want to know. I want to do, I want to find my wallet that I, just a second. Here we go. Okay, I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to do this live and we're going to see how quick this is, because I think this is all automatic withdrawals, which I like. Doesn't mean it's manually reviewing it. So there it is. You can either come here, guys, and in this Tether BEP 20, it's available to me right now to withdraw to my wallet. I come here to withdraw, or I can go to my, I don't know why I'm drawing a blank here. So there's 4,004, ask for withdraw, pending withdraw, click request. Okay, so confirm. There's no fees, guys. Let's pull up the wallet so you all can see this in real time. There's 1,028 USDT, BEP 20, click confirm. Okay, let's see, how long does it take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a fun video. 13. Like the video. This is great content. This is stupid. Okay, look at it. Bam, it just showed up. Okay, so you can go in this thing for 1 hour, 2 hours, 6 hours a day, make $5 here and there. It's just simple. Okay, so that's that one. I'm gonna bring Chris and talk about the other two. Yeah, good luck, guys. If you're following me, it's on your own risk. This is just what I'm doing. This is my little April challenge. So like the video, subscribe, and all that crap. I love you guys. We'll see you after the video. Chris, please tell me about Vortek and MaxSpread. Tell me about them. Real quick, I like to do things fast, Chris. I'm doing this video called Probably a Ponzi. As you know, we just don't know. It's the lack of evidence that drives me insane. When I buy Tesla stock, I know I'm buying Tesla stock. When I get in all this crap, we're just trusting people's words, trusting the dev and all. So you know how it is. So look at me. I'm spreading my risk capital around in all of these things through the month of April. But I wanted to get into these two today, Vortek United and MaxSpread, because I don't know much about them. I know you told me about them. You've been in them for a while. How long have you been in Vortek United?
February, so about 2 months, 2.5 months.
So am I late to the Ponzi or what? What's going on with this one? Can you walk us through? Because guys, just so you know, I haven't invested yet. I just did a deposit of 5,010. Actually, I should just do this right now in front of you. Where do I go, Chris, to like activate this?
You go to your, portfolio.
Oh yeah. So guys, the reason I did 5,000, you can do 50, 2,500, 10,000, 5,000. I did 5,000 because I can earn 1.8% a day. That's like 9% a week, right, Chris?
Yep.
So I'll just type in my 5,010 risk capital perform investment. You have successfully invested in plan compounding 5,010. So it's compounding till the end of the investment. Does that mean I can pull out profits though?
On that package, I'm not 100% sure, but now, as you see, it's gone.
It's gone. Yay! This is a great investment.
Dude, thanks for paying out all the original investors just then. That was awesome.
That's awesome. Yeah, guys, and just so you know, my deposit, it took about 45 minutes to an hour to get in, so don't freak out. I did message them. Look at their chat's amazing. They do talk to you. So like that's one thing I look at. Is there real people behind this? This is a fully doxed guy. He
Yep.
obviously, is sexy as all get out. Where was I? So where's my actual portfolio? Here we go. Portfolio. Where's my investment?
So now you see compounding and you can hit details to the right. So now it's showing that your end date is going to be November 16th.
Okay.
And it's
And this,
showing you purchased and you see the return amount of your 1.8% daily.
so this is how much return from this
Mhm.
point from today till then that'll be.
Correct.
And I'll be able to pull out my initial and my return.
hmm They do lock it up. They just changed it recently. I'm not sure if we can see it on there, but there is a hold period. Uh, no, I don't see it on those.
So let's talk about
Yeah.
I have a feeling I'll be able to pull out the profits, right? Like, because that's why I'm in. I wanted to get 9% a week uh on here. 9% times 10 weeks, 90% of my capital. So, looking at breaking even in 3 months. Um,
Nice.
yeah, but so tell me about this. Like, what did I just put 5,000 in? I have no idea, guys. This is how dumb I am.
Right. So he's actually been trading um, outside of this opportunity for, I think it's about the last 15 years. He's actually been a day trader. He's fully doxed, as you already said. I've seen numerous interviews that he's done with people. Um, yes, this presentation looks nice and pretty, but if you read through it, it actually makes sense what they're doing, right? And they have a track record, which I love. That you know they're staying on course. They're not doing 25% in 24 hours, right? They're
Right.
they're a little bit more conservative, I guess you would say. So they're not promising a high rate, but 9% a week, you can't beat that.
Right. If they can sustain it. Now it's all manual trading in cryptocurrency, right?
Yeah, correct.
Order flow trading is based on market data, is used by institutions and professional trading firms. It's considered one of the most sophisticated but reliable strategies, basically a deep analysis of supply and demand. Most traders in the crypto market rely on technical analysis only. The analysis of order books and order flow can be a decisive advantage. So he's just talking about his strategy there.
hmm
So for me, I like just setting it and forgetting it. I did this with Daisy yesterday, guys, which was a $6,400 contribution. You can see here, guys, that a number of you already went in, and this shows you your rewards. So if you are some sort of affiliate, they do have a comp plan. This has over $4.4 million in it. This is what they're trading with. What is that? 367,000? No, million. What?
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah.
Wow, that's huge, guys. Look at 197,000 people in this. So go watch my video on Daisy. I had Brian on yesterday talking about that. Again, this could be a Ponzi, but it's been around for a year, paying over 20%.
Yep.
When you do invest, only 70% of your capital is actually going into the investment. So, take that for what it is. Um, you can see, so that was Daisy. Let's go back to Vortek United. So
hmm
they've got these four packages, and the minimum to get in is 50, and that's where you earn zero point 0.6 to zero point 0.8 a day, work days. So that's 20 days in a month. So if I just do the bare minimum for people, 0.6 times 20 days, 12% a month minimum you can make in this sucker, which is obviously crazy. But if you do 12%, and you compound that, I don't know what that is, probably like a 6 month to break even. Because it's not, if I do this, guys, it's 72, but it's not taking into consideration the month to month compound, or the week to week, really. So we
Yeah.
cannot promise you a fixed return. I appreciate them saying that, as our performance is variable depending on the market situation. The investment portfolios have a fixed term which varies depending on the portfolio. As soon as a portfolio reaches the end of its term, it expires and no longer generates returns. So this isn't this indefinite like profit wheel, kind of like you see on, which I've been critical of, the crypto program, where it's like, oh, I'll just keep reinvesting until infinity. Well, eventually you become the richest man in the world. So what really is going on here? I don't know, but again, this is why we call it probably a Ponzi challenge. See which one of these is going to last. As soon as portfolio reaches the end of its term, it expires and no longer generates returns. In this case, 80% of the deposit is returned to you and credited to your account. What does that mean?
I just got a bonus when you signed up. It went straight into my portfolio balance.
Nice.
Yep.
So for people that shill the referral, but most of my people don't want to get into anything just to shill the crap. In fact, I hate YouTubers that irresponsibly just shill without talking about the risks. That's why literally I like, guys, think about it. I label my videos probably a Ponzi. That doesn't help me get referrals. It just doesn't. I could just be like, make 25% a month and then just talk about the upside. That's how modern day scammers do it. They just talk about all the pros. I like to talk about the cons. I like to talk about overemphasizing the risk. So, that's great, Chris. I'm happy to use your referral link in this. And, for those that follow me, thank you for letting me, for using it, but only get in with risk capital. I can afford to lose 5,000 on this. You might not be able to, but this is, the thing I don't understand here is, can you help me understand this part, Chris? As soon as portfolio reaches the end of its term. So for me,
November 16th, you would
yeah,
just be paid out. It's
I'm
not
30.
like a forever cycle.
It expires and no longer generates returns. Okay. In this case, 80% of the deposit. So 80% of my 5K is returned.
Mm-hmm.
So, what is that? 80% of 5K.
4.
Oh, it's 4. Okay. So I see what it's saying.
Yep.
So when I looked at this, guys, this right here is going to pay me 9%, and I get to collect that every week. And then what happens at the end of 32 weeks? I just get my 4,000 back.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So every week I am reducing my risk.
Mm-hmm.
If I wasn't able to withdraw, I'm not reducing my risk.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, the bigger you go in, obviously, the less time you need this thing to sustain.
Mm-hmm.
Here you're making 5% a week, so that you need it 20 weeks, I think. I mean, guys, I'm not doing the compound. Some of you are going to be like, actually, it's way less than that if you compound it, but I'm just giving worst case scenarios. So when does this pay out? Like, when can I come back here? Is it a week from literally right now?
It's every excuse me, every working day at some point, your balance will increase.
And when can I do withdrawals? And where do I do withdrawals on this
You go
website?
straight out to the dashboard,
Go to my dash.
and if you scroll down, was it not on dash? I was just looking on mine. My dashboard.
Maybe because I just got in and I don't have any data yet.
No, right underneath your USDT. Yeah, I guess because it hasn't built anything yet. Correct. Yeah.
So where will I go then?
See right there where your balance is? You're going to hit withdraw instead of deposit.
Oh, right here.
Yep.
Awesome. So every day I can withdraw this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay, cool. So there you go, guys. This one making 9% a week. And I'm able to pull out at the end 80% of my original. Their support is amazing. Is a verified doxed individual. Do we know where this guy lives?
Somewhere in Europe.
Somewhere in Europe. Okay, we'll get the cops on him if he
Right.
steals our money. But he's been in the space like trading, right? Like that was his whole reason for moving into cryptos. It's an easy way to onboard people to copy trade or to be a part of what he was doing.
Exactly.
And there's a number of YouTubers, guys, that have done this. Like, I'm so late to the game on this one, and it's fine because, I'm like, it's probably a Ponzi. I have no idea. Anything that has a little MLM, everybody just jumps and says it's Ponzi. But time will tell. How long has it been around? Does anyone know?
Going on a year, but I mean, he's been doing it much longer than that. For myself, it's only been 2.5 months.
Yeah, but 2.5 months is a long time in DeFi.
Yeah, early February is when I started.
Wow. That's good, man. So these are the trading feed for each day, showing
Hmm.
losses and wins.
Correct.
Okay, so do with that what you want, guys. I mean, is this trading feed legit? I have no idea. I have no way of knowing. I just don't care. I guess I just don't care because I'm gambling and I don't see this as real investing until I break even and then I get excited. Uh,
There you go.
all right. And then we talked about did the Daisy thing. You didn't go to the conference in Dubai, but yeah,
Mhm.
it was pretty big deal. Now let's talk about this MaxSpread. I signed up that I was from Britain. Um, This is the dash. I haven't put any money in here. So can you give us a quick overview of what this sucker is, Chris?
It's the same type of trading bot platform.
Is it trading bots? Because the other one was like manual, right? It was
Correct.
uh they're located in Hong Kong
Yeah.
and
Let
they're
me.
they're like going big international. Global economic problem. Okay. Blah 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 blah. MaxSpread Technologies, Agora. They're creating their own wallet, token, DEX, DAO, marketplace, you name it. Whenever I see metaverse, I'm immediately sketched out. Like, please don't. Uh, Start of in 2014 was the start of the development software. Agora neural engine was developed in 15. Start of joint training, launch of Agora. Official launch of MaxSpread Technologies was in 2022. In 2020, launch of MaxSpread Technologies arbitrage platform for private investors.
And
So
that's the
you,
next slide right there, right below it. It kind of explains it.
do what's that? This right here?
Just below that, if you scroll down, there you go. So you see how the whole, in a sense, how the arbitrage, you have the clients coming in, you have the plan, it goes onto their platform, they do the whole exchange thing and then pay out rewards. So you see
Right,
there to the left, what was it? Platform rewards of zero point 0.6 to 1.2% daily.
right. Pretty good.
Yep.
And that's imagine 5 days a week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or if it's crypto, I wonder if it's every day because crypto markets stay open.
Wanted to see. I was gonna try to pull mine just to give you an idea.
Do you have yours? You want to share your screen?
I was trying to find where I could directly direct you to go.
Oh, okay. What can we ask like how much you went in on this one?
Um, Let me see. Started with 500 and bumped it up from there.
Okay.
There's different packages.
Yeah, let's talk about the packages. So where
The plans.
go to plans.
Yep.
Okay, here's all their plans. Look at everything is red X except for when you get into 5K. There's a matching bonus.
Mm-hmm.
Is that
Mm-hmm.
just that's a portion of like whatever they would pay? You get a portion of basically your own affiliate, I imagine.
I would assume so. Yes. Yep.
Like I think affiliates it's like a 5% direct. So you're probably getting a portion of that, which isn't that's
Mm-hmm.
not it's not like guys you put in 5,000 get 5,000. Come on.
Right.
That's not it.
Right.
But
But
look at the
all of
average return rate is still the same though, all throughout. That's what I like. So I can start as low as 250 or 500.
yep.
So let's say I just want to put 1,000 in this sucker. Let's do this together.
Okay.
Buy 1,000. I put it in my main account, right?
Mm-hmm.
Buy. Buy a plan? Yes. Not enough money. What the? How do you know how much money I have? Oh, because I didn't put any in I didn't finance my account yet.
There you go.
I have to deposit it from the BEP20 ERC. I wonder if on BEP20, do they take BUSD? Send
Haven't tried.
funds.
I actually did. I did ERC. So
Yeah, because it doesn't say. It just says send funds to our wallet address, BEP20 network. Well, what funds? That's dumb. Deposit. Let's do from Ethereum. Next. Send funds to, maybe it just doesn't matter because it doesn't even say send USDT here.
mm-mm.
So I am going to try because I don't want to pay the fees in USDT.
Yep.
And that's silly. I don't want to waste $5. I'd rather waste my $1,000 throwing it into what could be a Ponzi.
Exactly.
BEP20 network next. Copy. Okay, I've copied it. Now I'm going to go up here. I'm going to send 1,000 BUSD. Please work, or else this video is really expensive. Please like and subscribe, guys, if you find this information valuable and honest. Okay, I need your subscription if you like it, me being honest, or else I'm just going to shill. You want me to shill like everybody else? Here we go. Confirm. Boom. It's gone. Rugged.
Done.
It's gone. Okay, so I just send funds to our wallet address BEP20. All right. I did. So that might take a minute. And then I have to move it from my main account to my then I can buy a plan.
There you
So, okay. And then I can expect to make 0.6. When can I withdraw this one?
go. Once again, it's locked up. So each of those, as you see, it's a 365 days is the working time. But as they post, you can withdraw.
Is it every day?
I don't see them. I look at it maybe twice a week, so I'm not sure if they actually post daily or not.
Okay. It says daily income. So, and then
Yeah.
where do I withdraw? That's all I care about. How do I withdraw my money?
So if you go out to dashboard main account transfer.
Oh, there's my money. Look. What? Come on. It took 50 cents. I should have sent an extra dollar because now I'm
Yep,
going to not get in that plan, right?
that's
This
possible.
this is why we make these videos for you guys. So you can save a life.
Yep.
But it doesn't matter, right? Like the MX 1000 is the same benefits here. Oh, binary bonus is 6%.
Okay.
Get 5%. But I'm not planning on building
Right.
a team. Um, so but still, it would just, what if I did though? If someone clicks my affiliate link, 6%, Chris.
Yep. 50 cents just cost you.
All right, I'm going back in. Depositing. BEPT one. Next. Cop. Boom. Assets. BUSD sending. $5. I'm done.
There we go.
Um, okay. What let's look at this roadmap here while we wait. So this is 2023. They got plans going into 2024,
Yep.
2025. Wow, it's pretty all the way 2026.
Yep.
This is pretty international too. So I guess
It
for
is.
me, even if I'm thinking like this could be Ponzi, it's like, well, the larger the audience, I guess the safer it is. It's horrible to think about.
Yeah.
Um, again, I don't know. They're claiming it's not a Ponzi, so I'm not supporting a Ponzi. I don't know. I'm assuming there's real trading going on. It shows you, yeah, you get a 5% bonus. So Chris, congrats. You just made
Yahoo,
50, 50
50
bucks.
bucks.
Um, and then these are the binary bonuses. To
Yep.
receive a maximum possible binary bonus, distribute the volumes in the ratio of 30%. Like, I do not follow this stuff. I'm not a good affiliate marketer.
Yep.
Look at all the details in this because I hate anything that's MLM-y. It's just so like, but I
Yeah.
get why they do it. It's like you want to incentivize people to talk about it.
Sure.
And there's so many affiliate marketers that will talk about anything.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So they have their Telegram group.
Yeah, and if you go back to the website, click on the left menu, click on Trade View. So they are actually showing. We
Oh,
don't know if it's real, but if you look
okay.
down at completed orders, it's showing what they've been doing, which exchange they were on, the payment system, the price point,
Mm-hmm.
and this updates. So I don't know if it's a computer updating it or they enter
Right.
it as the trades are executed, but they are showing that.
All right, let's get in this thing. So I've financed my account. I'm going to go to plan, God's plan, and then I'm going to go to 1,000. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it from my main account, right? I'm going to uh buy a plan, yes. Not enough money. Okay, we're going to move it now, maybe to my
Process.
main. So what? It's gone.
It shows right there, 1,000 invested.
Where?
In the middle, right in the middle.
Right here?
Yeah, it gave you an error, but it's showing that completed. So
Oh,
right in the middle of your screen there, it shows earn stats
yeah, there we go. And now I'm M1 ranked.
M1.
Invested 1,000. Okay, cool. And yeah, this is an example of how to like do your due diligence, guys. I mean, I'm so thorough, aren't I?
Just click away, right? Just
I
click.
just click
Fire.
away. They've got 2,600 subscribers, so they're growing.
Yep.
You're still in the crypto program, right?
I am. I am.
Yeah, you're a big believer in this. I mean more so than me.
Right.
Uh, I think it's the AI videos that really make me think it's legitimate.
It makes you think it's legitimate.
Yeah, anyone that just uses AI videos, it just screams legitimacy.
Yeah, I'm
Just
sure.
messing. I'm messing. And look at the time. It's 4:20. Is that a joke on us, Ed? Come on now.
420. So
Uh,
somewhere.
so
But
yeah, guys, this program, if you don't know, it uses your capital as a loan, the quote unquote loan, for marketing purposes. And then they put that money in all these like campaigns on Bing, Google, MSNBC, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and they claim they can make way more than 25% return on these ad campaigns. So they're willing to collect as much money as possible, pay you 25%, and they keep the rest. Ed is not the marketing firm. He's the lead affiliate. So you're trusting that, he's found a company you can do this with. He says he's been with them for over a decade. And clearly, over 12,000 registered users have bought into Ed's word. There is an incentive. There's a referral program, so you don't know whether people are speaking honestly or not, because maybe it's just they're seeing everything through an affiliate lens, which we try not to do on this channel, guys. I mean, trust me, my net worth would be way more than what it is if I just flat out told you all the pros and left out all the cons. If I took every payment people give me for videos, but I think we named the channel FUD Farm on purpose to talk about all the possible things that could go wrong. So I am still in this. I have told my community. I have a rugs play community which you can join for free. I update everybody what I'm doing, and I've sold about half my packages. I am going to leave half in. Ed keeps talking to me. He's super nice. I think he watches my content, but he's like, I understand your skepticism, but you're doing your audience a disservice, man. And I appreciate he's still kind to me. But there are certain YouTubers in his program that I just cannot stand, flashing vacations and talking about, hey, it's still paying me. It's still just because something keeps paying you, Chris, as you know, doesn't speak to its legitimacy, right?
sure.
So you've got to practice caution, guys. But yeah, that is crypto program. If you're interested in taking a gamble on that, 25% a month, like clockwork. I've been in it for like almost 4 months, and it has paid me unbelievably, and it has been zero issues. So sorry, but is that your experience too, Chris?
I have not had one hiccup so far. 3 months, 3+ months now. Yeah.
Yeah. So all right, guys. So there you go. There's a plethora of projects for you to look at. In my description, I literally put the name of the project, the reason I'm in it, and then I put how much and my affiliate link. It's like really thorough. So join my Telegram group in case all the content doesn't fit in the description. Thanks, Chris, for coming on this video. Good luck out there, guys. Remember, everything probably is a Ponzi. We'll see you in the next one.
When you have nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea.
The Fud Farm.